Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are on exercise 20C, right?
Yes.
In exercise 20C, we have to start with question number 11 or 10 or 12.
Uh,
You have to do question 11,
Sir, 11.
Sir, 11.
exercise 20C, question number 11. Okay, ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Yeah. Question number 11, all of you. Here we have to find the area of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals yeah. Find the area of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals are given in the question. First part. D1, diagonal number 1 of the rhombus is given 16 centimeters, and D2, the diagonal 2 of the rhombus, is given 28 centimeters. Okay. We have to find the area of this rhombus. So area of a rhombus, what is the formula? All of you, we have already written all the formulae. Can you tell me what is the formula of area of a rhombus?
So half into D1 into D2.
Sir, height
Absolutely right.
into.
There are two formulae, you both are right. One formula is base into height, the other formula is half into d1 into d2. But which formula we can use here? We know the diagonals, so we will use the second formula, half into d1 into d2, yani ki half into product of diagonals. Are you all getting the point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Let's start doing it. Area equals to half into d1 into d2. Find the answer. Half into 16 into 28. 28, right? So this means 8 into 28. 56, 112, 224. 224 centimeters square. Right? Any doubt in the question?
No.
do second part of question 11 in homework. May we start with question 12 now?
Yes.
Have you all written question 11 in your copy? First part. Second part you have to do in homework. Can we start question 12 now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question 12. Pay attention. I will give you time to write down in your copy later on. This question is a good one. Here we will be using some properties of rhombus, which you studied in class 6. Properties of a rhombus, but you did not pay attention at that time. I know. Students ignore. They forget, not ignore. They forget the properties easily. It's very easy to forget the properties. So this is a rhombus. Let's name the rhombus as ABCD. Here in
Sir,
question
your voice
12,
is not coming.
my voice is coming, all of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's coming. Yes, sir.
Beta, there may be some network issue with you. किसको नहीं आ रही है? Who's not able to listen my voice?
Sir, no, voice is not coming.
Raghav, there is some network issue at your end. Okay, just a second. All of you, please keep your videos on. Yes, so in the question it is given that there is the one of the diagonals of the rhombus is given 24 centimeters and the side of the rhombus is 20 centimeters. The side of the rhombus is 20 centimeters. We all know that in a rhombus all sides are equal. And one of the diagonals, let that diagonal which is given, let it be BD. It is given. The length of BD is given.
Yes, sir.
The length of BD is given 24 centimeters, one diagonal of the rhombus, one of the diagonals of the rhombus, 24 centimeters. Okay. Now, here we have to find the area of this rhombus. Only two things are given. One side is given and one diagonal is given. Can we use the formula base into height to find the area of this rhombus? Can we use the formula base into height to find the area of this rhombus? The base of the rhombus is given 20 centimeters. Base of the rhombus is 20 centimeters.
20 centimeter and
But
diagonal is
the
so-
problem is that the height of the rhombus is not given in this case. So can we use the formula base into height? The answer is no, because the height is not there. So we cannot use the
sir.
formula base into height to find the
And
area.
sir, we can use the formula of half. Half into d1 into d2, and so we can take the diagonal as x.
Very good. Absolutely right. The first diagonal of the rhombus is given 24. One of the diagonals is 24. The other diagonal of the rhombus is not given. D2 is not there. So half into product of diagonals, we will use it, but for that we will first find out the second diagonal of the rhombus. How can we find the second diagonal of the rhombus? By using the properties of this rhombus.
Yes, sir.
So let's join AC. Let O be the center of the circle. Point of intersection of the two diagonals. O. So we will use the property diagonals bisect each other. Write down the property in your copy. So with this, you can say that BO is equals to BD upon 2, half of BD. That means 24 upon 2, we get 12 centimeters, the length of BO. I am marking BO in the figure, 12. Right? All of you, any doubt till now? BO is 12.
No, sir.
Let the length of AO be X. I have taken AO as X. Now in this question, B angle AOB is 90 degrees. Why is it 90 degrees? Angle AOB. Because the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular. You can write down the word also. Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular, therefore we can say that angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle AOB is 90. So in triangle AOB, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find x. Triangle AOB is a right angle now. Triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. Okay. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. Angle O is 90. So the side opposite to angle O is the hypotenuse.
B into S.
AB square equals to AO square plus BO
A
square.
square plus B square.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So AB square 20 square, AO square x square, BO square 12 square. Right? 400 equals to x square plus 144. We get x square equals to 256. 400 minus 144 is 256. X equals to square root of 256. Therefore, we get x equals to 16 centimeters. You all know how to find the square root. So this is the length of x. X is what? AO. We have got AO.
Yes, sir.
Now, if AO is 16, can you tell me what is the length of AC?
Sir, if AO is 16, so sir
32?
AC is sir into 2, sir is square of that. Sir, AC is equal to 16 into 2.
Yes,
16
sir,
into
32
2,
because the 60 plus
32.
60.
AC, absolutely right. AC is equal to 2 into AO because diagonals bisect each other. AO is half of AC, so AC will be double of AO. AC is equals to 32 centimeters. We have got the length of the other diagonal also. Do we know both the diagonals of the rhombus now?
Yes, sir.
So we can now find the area easily. Half into D1 into D2. Diagonal number 1, that means BD, given 24. D2, that is AC, 32. So 24 into 16. 24 into 16, 48, 96, 192, 384 centimeters square. This is the area of the rhombus. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now can we copy?
Yes, beta. Yes, yes. Please go down.
Sir, the screen.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, have you shared your screen white?
No, no, beta. Actually, there is some problem with the software. OneNote. Sometimes it,
Yes,
if I
sir.
don't keep on using it, sometimes it becomes white for a second. Question number 13 is homework. Very easy question, straightforward question. The area of the rhombus is given, one diagonal is given. You have to find the length over the diagonal. Use the formula half into d1 into d2 and find the length of the other diagonal. Easily you can find it. So do question number 13 in homework. Try it in homework. Okay. We are starting
Okay,
with
sir.
question number 40. Okay. I hope everyone is done.
Sir,
Sir,
done in
just a
sent on
second.
group.
Just a
Sir, done in sent on group.
Very good, beta Sara. Okay,
Sir, done.
very good. So question number 14.
Done.
Question 14 is the area of a rhombus is 119 centimeters square. Area of a rhombus is given 119 centimeters square. The perimeter of the rhombus is given 56.
So can we do this question by ourselves?
Yes, sure. 56 centimeters. Find the height of the rhombus. To find the height of the rhombus, you should know the side of the rhombus. So just tell me one thing. What is the formula of perimeter of a rhombus? 4 into side, right? Perimeter of a rhombus is 4 into side because all sides of a rhombus are equal. So if you add all the 4 sides, it will become 4 into
Sir?
side. Yes.
So perimeter of a square with maybe.
Perimeter of a square is also same. Perimeter is rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus is also same. In fact, perimeter of rectangle is also same. Do you know? Perimeter of rectangle is also this only. Not 4 into side, but sum
2
of all
into
the
L
sides.
plus.
Sum of all
Sum
sides.
of
Perimeter
sides
of all the figures is same. Sum of all sides. So we are just adding all the 4 sides. Of what is different in this? In all the figures, we use the same formula. Sum of all the sides. Because in this case, all the 4 sides are equal, so it becomes 4 into side. Okay. So 56 equals to 4 into x. Let the side of the rhombus be x. Now find x and then find the height of the rhombus. Find the height of the rhombus now. All of you, we have got the base. Side of the rhombus means base of the rhombus we have got. The base of the rhombus is 14 centimeters. Find the height of the rhombus. All of you. Which formula you will use to find the height? Everyone. Area is given. Now which formula you will use to find the height of this rhombus? Everyone, tell me which formula will you use to find the height of the rhombus?
Sir, to find the height of the rhombus.
Yes. We know the area, we know the base. Which formula can we use to find the height?
Sir, maybe 2 into area of
Area equals
ABD.
to base into height. This is the formula of area. Area equals to base into height.
Yes, sir.
Area of rhombus. Here we know the area 119. We know the base also
Yes.
14. The side of the
Yes,
rhombus is 14. We just have to find the height. So we can use this formula. Area equals to base into height. What is
yes,
the
sir.
problem in it? Just find height now and post your answer in the group and keep your videos on, everyone.
Okay, sir, just a second.
Just say my Zoom is like hanging.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm taking devices with other device because that device that is added to the group, sir, that is discharged. So, sir,
No.
can I show it?
Yes, yes. Sita, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Height is maybe
Sorry. What is the height?
sir 8.5.
8.5 is absolutely right. 119 upon 14 is equals to 8.5 centimeters. Question 14 is over. Question 15 is very easy. Do it in homework. Question 15. You all will show these questions which I am giving you in homework. You all will show these questions tomorrow. Tomorrow, nahi, day after tomorrow,
Okay, sir.
Monday. Okay. So let's start with question number 16. Question 16. There are two figures in question 16. One is a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle in question 16. And then there is a rhombus also. Let's take a, what is this? Sorry. So there is a triangle and there is a rhombus. In the question, it is given that the area of the triangle is equal to the area of the rhombus. So let the triangle be ABC, sorry. Let's name the triangle as ABC and the rhombus as PQRS. So given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of the rhombus PQRS. This is given. Okay. And what else is given? The height of the rhombus, sorry, the triangle. Height of the triangle, sorry, base of the triangle is 24.8 centimeters. And the height of the triangle is this. This is given 16.5. 16.5 centimeters. Corresponding height. That means the height which is on the base AC. If the diagonals of the rhombus, if one of the diagonals of the rhombus is 22 centimeters, that means let's PQRS. Let's take as diagonal QS equal to 22 centimeters. Diagonal QS is 22 centimeters. Okay. We have to find the length of the other diagonal of the rhombus. That means we have to find PR. What is the length of PR? This is what we have to find out. So let PR be X. Clear, all of you? What
Yes,
is
sir.
there in the question? So here there is very important thing given. In this case, not every case, in this case, the area of this triangle is equal to area of rhombus. So we can write this thing given. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of rhombus PQRS. Now what? What is the formula of area of triangle? Half into base into height.
Half into base height.
You have studied this in your class 5,
Yes.
5th and 6th, both the classes. So area PQRS Area of rhombus. What is the formula of area of rhombus? Using the diagonals, half into product of diagonals.
Half
Half
into
into
diagonal into diagonal.
half into d1 into d2, right? So we can cancel half from both the sides. We get base into height equals to d1 into d2. What is the base of triangle? 24.8. What is the height of the triangle? 16.5.
16.5, yes, sir.
What is the first diagonal of the rhombus? 22.
So
What is the
22
second diagonal of the rhombus? X. We
x.
have got an equation. Find x from this equation. All of you.
Okay, sir.
Start solving and find x. Have you understood the logic of the question?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Start finding x. After completing, post your answer in the group.
I was posting the answer, but sir, my device got just switched off.
Okay, no
I'm
problem.
just sending.
Other students also post your answers.
Yes, sir. Just post. Sir, I have to post it like previous one or just now what we are doing? That too I'm doing.
Post the answer of question 14 also and 16 also. All of you.
Post it.
Sir, 18.6.
Sorry.
Sir, this x is equal to 18.6.
X is equal
Sir,
to
please don't tell the answer. Just
18.6. Okay, I'm not telling the answer. First, you all complete.
sir, the answer is 18.6.
Post your answer in the group, all of you.
Sir, just doing the 16 and sending it.
Good.
Sir, sending.
You have sent the answer, Sania?
Sir, not of question number 16. So just now
Send
I
the
have
answer
found
of
the answer.
send the answer of question 16 also, all of you.
Sir, what's the answer?
I will just tell you the right answer. First, you all post. Let me see whether
Sir,
you all are
I'm
doing
not,
it right or not.
sir, I'm not with that device. Sir, can I show here?
Yes, Sarah. Show your answer here on the screen. I can't see anything. I can see this. What is this?
The Elsa.
Elsa, yes. Elsa and Anna. Frozen.
Yes.
Correct answer, Sarah. Very good. 18.6 what? Kilogram?
No, sir, centimeter.
Okay, centimeter. Write down the unit. Very good. 18.6 centimeters.
Sir, cent.
Very good.
Sir, I'd also say
Very good, beta. Very good. Very good.
sir on my screen you can see my answer.
Arnav, you are not sending your
Thank you
answers.
for the exit game.
Arnav and Hania. Arnav, Hania, Mohtasham.